So in this video, I'll show you how to add a fully dynamic A+ image listing section in Shopify. First, open your Shopify admin panel. Go to Settings, then Metafields and Meta Objects. Now click on Products. Here, click Add Definition. For the name, I'm using A Image Listing. You can use the same name or anything you prefer. Now for the type, select List because we need multiple image options. Then select File and choose Image. Click Save. Now copy this metafield path because we'll need it in the next step. Before adding the section, let's first upload some images. Go to Products and open the product where you want to show the A+ listing section. Scroll down and under Product Metafields, you'll see the field we just created. Click on it and upload your images. I already created these graphics using AI and Canva. I designed them in 16:9 ratio because it looks cleaner and more professional on product pages. You can create your own graphics according to your brand style. After uploading the images, click Save. Now, let's create the actual section. Go to ShopyBuilder and paste your metafield path inside the metafield option. You can customize everything later, but for now, I'll show only the important settings. Go to the Style tab. From here, you can adjust max width, image gap, border radius, and overall spacing to match your store design. Once done, click Copy Code. Now, go back to your Shopify theme editor. Open your product page template. Click Add Section, choose Custom Liquid, and paste the copied code. You can also rename the section so it's easier to manage later. And now you can see the A+ image listing section live on your product page. It looks premium, fully responsive, and works perfectly on mobile devices too. But the best part is, this section is fully dynamic. That means for every product, you just upload different A+ images inside metafields, and the section automatically changes according to the product. No manual editing again and again. This is exactly how bigger e-commerce brands create clean and high-converting product pages without installing heavy apps that slow down the store. And yes, this section is built using ShopyBuilder. It's a premium Shopify section library where you get conversion-focused sections ready to use. No app installs, no coding headache, no page or website limits.